When you have children, you are a parent. If you are a male parent, you are a father. If you are female parent, you are a mother. If one of your children is a boy, he is your son. If one of your children is a girl, she is your daughter. When a couple gets married, the man is the husband, and the woman is his wife. One collective word to describe brothers and sisters is siblings. Example: What does your father do? Is your father a teacher? My father's hobby is fishing. My mother is coming home. My mother cleaned the house. My mother is cooking at home. My son is very active. My son likes dogs. My son loves to read books. My daughter loves the color pink. My daughter is very smart. My daughter loves elephants. He looks like your brother. My brother asked a question. My brother is not sleeping now. She is cooking for my sister. My sister is a strong girl. My sister works at the theater. Is your husband at home? Her husband is American. Her husband plays baseball. You will be a good wife. My wife has cooked a delicious meal. I taught my wife how to drive. Grandparents. The parents of your parents. Grandfather. The father of your father or mother. Grandmother. The mother of your father or mother. Grandchildren. The children of your children. Grandson. The son of one of your children. Granddaughter. The daughter of one of your children. Example: My sister was educated by my grandfather. My grandfather will come to us in February. My grandfather will be 70 this year. My grandmother had a cat. My grandmother is healthy. My grandmother knows how to drive a car. What is your grandson's name? My grandson can read. My grandson loves to play the guitar. My granddaughter has long hair. His granddaughter can dance. Their granddaughter plays with dolls. Uncle. The brother of your mother or father. Aunt. The sister of your mother or father. Cousin. The child of your aunt or uncle. Nephew. The male child of your brother or sister. Niece. The female child of your brother or sister. Example. My uncle gave me a book. My uncle gave me his car. My uncle lives near the school. My aunt came to us yesterday. My aunt is older than my mother. I visited my aunt at the hospital. This is my cousin. How many cousins do you have? Your cousin has beautiful hair. John is not my son, but my nephew. My nephew is 7 years old. My nephew can read. He looks like your niece. My niece swam in the river. My niece keeps secrets.